afternoon, everyone. I am Kenneth Cruz, 28, representing Pampanga. I am a model, a freelance talent artist, and entrepreneur.
The floor is now open for questions.
Hi, good afternoon, candidate number 37. Kabalin, taga-Arayan din ako. Saan ka sa Arayan?
Sa Nicolas.
Sa Nicolas,
Yes.
Poblacion.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, my question for you is, what is the most significant challenge facing men today and how would you address it?
Again.
What is the most significant challenge facing men today and how would you address it? Teka, hindi ako marunong magkapampangan. Gusto kita kapampanganin mo.
Pwede ka magsagot. Pwede ka magsagot.
Na yung pinakamadagulang challenge para ating dala and makanano mo.
Para po sa akin, the biggest challenge na piniface ng mga lalaki ngayon is how to grow themselves. Na kung paano nila tutulungan yung sarili nila para mas improve, maging tunay na lalaki, maging self-confidence, yung maging independent. So, paglaki nila, mag-provide nila yung family nila and matutulungan nila yung mga magulang. That's it.
You mentioned kanina you're an entrepreneur,
Yes.
right? Anong business mo?
Mga gourmet tuyo and dinapa.
Homemade kayo?
Homemade, yes.
Okay. So, what made you decide to join Mr. Grant?
Well, for this year, I want to prove myself and to continue my dream and pursue my goals and achievements. And I think this Mr. Grant can help me to boost my advocacy, which is supporting of lack of educations to the children. Because if you don't know that, this year I joined charity events to the mga students na iba-ibang lugar na din na napapansin dito sa Pilipinas. And last month, nagpunta kami sa Leyte and umakyat kami sa bundok ibigay ng mga student supplies.
Sino naging partner mo for that advocacy?
My manager po, my Last is Last Pilipinas, is a agency of Australian na nag-a-apply sa mga abroad.
Thank you.
You said you're an artist. So are you an
Yes.
actor, singer, or dancer?
Actor, a freelance talent actor.
Can you give us a sample? Can you give us a sample? Acting. Acting. Acting.
Mari ako yung kalaw.
It's your talent, di ba?
Joke.
Actually, hindi naman po naging main role. Naging supporting actor lang po.
This is a supporting role, but can you do what you did during that show? Movie, is it a movie or?
It's a teleserye, television.
Sino ay dati?
I'm just a security guard. So, hindi din
Sino
ako
lang? Chikanes. Kaya ba?
Kunwari kinakapkapan mo ako. Kunwari. Papasok ako ng school. Ganyan. Ibang hawak. Best actor ka sa security guard role. Very nice.
Hi. Nag-try ka na ba sa Viva?
Actually, not pa po, pero I don't have any plans.
Sinarado mo na
Girls and guys, sarado ng pintuan. But kidding aside, since I would like to assume this is not your first pageant, nakita na kita somewhere. And sige, since yan ang sagot mo, gusto mo nang diretsahan tanungan, di ba, Sir Alan? So, how do you manage indecent proposal? Kasi given the fact, in general, pageant contestants receive one. Even actors, aspiring actors and talents receive one. For sure, you have somehow, somewhere before you receive one. How do you manage it?
Well, for me, hindi ko naman sila tinabastos. Especially, I will talk to them honestly and nicely. I'm not into that person and hindi ko ginagawa yun. Hindi ko kaya gawin yun para sa sarili ko. And I want to prove myself na I'm a good man.
Sige. Mukhang may violent reaction kasi sa likod ko. I-elaborate ko lang for a follow-up question. Since sa current issue right now, two of our mga actors is complaining for their handlers or whatever harassment that they experience. Para kasi sa amin, from an actor, from a showbiz company, minsan kasi kayo naman, in general, not necessarily you. Minsan yung actor, yung talent naman yung nag-offer ng sarili. Di ba patas din naman? It has to be an equal footing na dapat magsabi din ng totoo ang mga ino-offeran dahil sila din mismo ang nag-offer. What do you think about it? Para lang maintay sa mga nakikinig natin kasi it's a very relevant topic right now, and having said that, kailangan namin i-distinguish yung Miss Grand Philippines given those circumstances.
Well, nasa pa rin po, nasa tao pa rin naman po yan kung paano nila i-handle, kung paano sila makipagtungo sa taong yun para hindi siya maisipan na gusto rin or willing yung guy na for that.
Ayoko naman i-put in the spot ka, but tatandaan namin yan, ha? Thank you very much.
Kaya, what's the most expensive offer you know? Hindi, wala lang. Biglang naging media pala ako dito.
I think sa mga message request na nakikita ko sa social media accounts ko is they're asking for 50.
50,000.
I think yun yung nakita ko na message request.
Ayan, Day. 50,000 ka. Yes, Kelly.
Speaking of social media, how is your social media and what kind of things do you like to post or promote sa accounts mo?
Right now, I started my social media na inayos ko siya for charity events. That's what I do right now. And hope helping other stories. And that's it. Mga promotion endorsements.
Okay, any other questions?
How many followers do you have?
In Facebook, 7 mil. In IG is 17,000. I mean, in IG is 38,000. And TikTok is 50,000.
Are good? Okay. Thank you so much.